All right, update. You can see kind of a lining of a building. So it looks like there's just one square thing here. Could be just a part of it, but definitely making some progress. So hopefully we'll have some afternoon trivia today and people will actually show up, and then it's going to be a great tutoring session with Dewey and my other student. Can't wait for that. Dewey and I talked about it last night. I gave him some preview of it, and so that's really exciting. Can't wait to hang out with Dewey tonight, have a nice up-tempo, energetic tutoring session.